only guard to play with one team for 20 years. Laker of all time. 5-time champion. The only guard.
Second shot clock, Shepherd ball. All right, we are underway for the 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Mid-range jumper, no good. Number 16 with the ball for NCF. Number 5, pump fakes. Back to the point guard. Number 5 fires a 3. No good. That's going to be a turnover. Number 11, for Shepherd with the ball. Now in the hands of the big man. Extra pass to number 5. Rejected by number 15, the big man of NCF. Number 16. To the outside man. Pass to number 10. Layup, no good. Number 13, controlling play. Pass to number 11. Back to number 13. 15 second shot clock, number 11, extra pass number 34, lost it. Stolen, and that's going to be NCF ball. Number 16 with the ball for NCF. Now number 5 with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0 lays it up. It's good. And a chance for a 3-point play. Foul called in jersey number 5. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for jersey number 10. First shot is good. He completes the 3-point play. Number 34. Bullet pass to number 5. Fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 34. And that's their first 2-pointer of the game. Number 10. Traveling violation. That's going to be a turnover. Number 13 with the ball. Pass to number 23. Mid-range jumper. No good. Now number 5 for NCF on the offensive. Tip pass. That's going to be Shepherd ball. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 17 seconds of the first quarter. NCF leads by 1. Now number 13, mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound by number 34. Fade away. Still no good. Another offensive rebound. In the hands of number 13. Extra pass. Floater, no good. Now number 24. Going all the way, using the board for 2 points. The jersey number 24 of the Tigers. Number 23 spins, floater, no good. Number 16, the point guard of NCF. To number 24. To number 5. To number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24 fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 16. Layup is good. Back-to-back points for NCF. Tip pass. And that's still gonna be Shepherd ball. Substitution. Number 11 with the ball. Pass to number 5, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, floater, no good. Rebounded by number 16, now going all the way, pass to number 24, stripped away, stolen by jersey number 13. Now running. And that's going to be an offensive foul by jersey number 13. Number 15, pass to number 24, layup, no good. Offensive rebound, number 10. Still no good. Now Shepherd on the offensive. Layup good for the Shepherds. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 3 seconds of the first quarter. Number 15 with the ball. Foul called on jersey number 34. Third team foul. Number 5 with the ball. Now to number 16. Half step. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen. Now number 11 on the offensive. Going all the way. Floater. No good. But a foul was called on jersey number 5. First team foul for NCF. First personal foul for jersey number 5. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Substitution. Stolen by the Shepherds. Now number 11, rejected by number 10. But there's going to be a foul call. Jersey number 10. Number 10 of NCF, warning for technical for resentment of foul. For resentment to a call. We are now deadlock at 7. Second shot is good. Change favor. Shepherd leads by 1. Number 24 with the ball. Lost it. Stolen by jersey number 11. Regained by number 16. That's going to be a foul called on jersey number 5 of Shepherd. Number 24 to number 15. Lays it up, it's good. And 1. A chance for a 3-point play. Foul called on jersey number 9. One shot for jersey number 15. Offensive rebound by number 10. Floater does not go in. That's going to be Shepherd ball. Now number 11 running. Extra pass to number 5. Back to number 11. Fires along 2. No good. Now number 15 with the ball. On the hands of the point guard to control the play. To number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul called on jersey number 34. Penalty. Timeout. Shepherd. Remaining time 3 minutes and 49 seconds of the first period of play. Shepherd leads by 1. Okay, back to the ball game. Second shot no good. Bullet pass to number 9 for 2 points. Change favor. Stolen. But that's still gonna be NCF ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds to make a play. 10 seconds to shoot. That's still gonna be NCF ball. 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds to make a play for NCF Tigers. Number 16 with the ball. To number 5, fires a 3. No good. Number 15, offensive rebound. Layup, still no good. Another chance. Third chance, and it's good for number 15. A foul was called on jersey number 24. Change favor. Doesn't complete the 3-point play, but another foul was called on jersey number 12. Penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 24. First personal foul for jersey number 12. Second shot is good. Substitution. That's going to be a strong pass. That's going to be a turnover. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to make a play for NCF Tigers. Number 16 with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 with the ball. Back to the point guard. Number 24. 5 seconds to shoot. That's going to be a foul called on jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 9 with the ball. Pass to number 12. Going all the way. Layup is good for jersey number 12. 1 point lead by the Tigers. Number 9 to number 24. Pass to number 10. Floater. No good. To number 9. Going all the way. Layup. Still no good. Rebounded by number 24. Now to number 2. Floater is good. Using the ball for that 2-pointer. Number 7, revenge 2-pointer. No good. And that's going to be NCF ball. Substitution. Number 16 with the ball for the Tigers. Now number 24. Lost the ball. Stolen by number 9. 2 minutes remaining time in the first period of play. Number 11. Beautiful pass. But doesn't get the field goal. Now number 16 on the offensive for NCF. Number 9 fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound by number 21. Now in the hands of the point guard. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24 with the ball. Half step. 10 seconds to shoot. The foul call on jersey number 2. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Now number 11 on the offensive for Shepherd. Number 12 to number 7. Stepped out of bounds and that's going to be a turnover. To shoot. 3. 50 seconds. Foul. Number 5. Penalty. Number 5. Third personal foul. Substitution. Substitution.
Foul. Foul number 7, penalty. 27 seconds. Seconds. 18.
Computer, you need to get grounded.
15. 10. 5.
Okay, back to the ball game and welcome to the second quarter of this matchup between the Shepherd Bay and the NCF Tigers. Shepherd ball. Number 4 with the ball for Shepherd. Now to number 24, lost it. And there's going to be a foul called on jersey number 24. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 18 for NCF on the offensive. Number 13 lost the ball, and that's going to be a turnover. Shepherd ball. Now number 4 making the play for Shepherd. Number 8. Ball fakes. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8 back to number 4. 5 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, and that's going to be a turnover. Number 21. Number 4, number 7 fires the 3. Hits the board but not the ring. Reverse layup by number 23 is good. 5-point lead by the Tigers. Number 13 with the ball. Guarded by number 24. Now to number 9. Back to number 13. The big man, number 2. Foul called on jersey number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 18 on the receiving end of that inbound. 10 seconds to shoot. That's still gonna be NCF ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to make a play. Number 2 with the ball. Also number 13, 5 seconds to shoot. Foul called on jersey number 23. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9 with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. And another foul is called on jersey number 4. Announcement po from the table of management. Yung mga nakakapasok pa lang po din sa may entrance, kung pwede po huwag harangan. Announcement po, yung mga tao po nandyan sa entrance, kung pwede po magsiupo na, bawal daw pong harangan ang entrance. Thank you. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 18 with the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Stepped out of bounds, and that's going to be a turnover. Shepherd ball. Number 4 making the play for the Shepherds. Now number 8. Extra pass number 23. Layup no good. Rebounded by the big man of NCF. Now number 9 with the ball, guarded by number 8. From fakes, pass to number 15 to number 2. Floater, no good. And that's going to be Shepherd ball. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 50 seconds of the second quarter of play. NCF leads by 5. Mid-range jumper by number 23 is good. 2-point for jersey number 23. Number 2 to number 13, down to number 9. That's a turnover by NCF. Number 4 with the ball. Number 23 fires a 3. No good. Stolen by number 13. Pass number 18. 3-pointer. No good. That's going to be Shepherd ball. Time out. Shepherd good. Number 8 with the ball for Shepherd. Number 4. Back to number 8. Intercepted pass. Stolen by jersey number 13. Pass to number 9. Fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound number 13. Layup rejected by jersey number 25. Now number 4. Controlling the play for Shepherd. Now number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. Stolen by number 9. And a foul is called. Foul call on jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Substitution.
For them to shoot. Points.
Number 11 with the ball. Now to number 9. Steps back, fadeaway jumper, no good. Rebounded by jersey number 18. Stolen, stripped away by number 9. Easy layup. 2 points for jersey number 9, Shepherd. Number 2 with the ball. To number 9. Going all the way. Euro step, no good. Offensive rebound, number 9, but still no good. Number 2, and the foul is called. Foul called on jersey number 23. Substitution. Announcement po, yung mga tao pong nandyan sa entrance, kung pwede pong magsiyo po, kasi bawal na pong matakpan ng entrance. Thank you. Number 23, third personal foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Now number 9, pass to number 8. Going all the way. Layup, no good. Rebounded by number 2. Now in the hands of number 13. To the point guard. Pump fakes. Number 13. Pass to number 2. Floater, no good. Number 11. Spins. Layup, no good. Second chance by number 12, and that's going to be a 2-pointer. Change favor. Shepherd leads by 1. Stolen, stripped away. That's number 11, layup, no good. Second chance opportunity. And that's a 2-pointer for the Shepherds. Time out. NCF Tigers. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Myself and him, greatest little man and big man I wanted to thank ever here in the history of the book.
Okay, back to the ball game. NCF ball in the hands of jersey number 16, acting point guard of the Tigers. Now pass to number 5. Almost lost the ball, pass to the big man, number 15, spins, lays it up, it's good. 2-pointer for jersey number 15. Deadlock at 24, number 12, floater is good. Shepherd leads by 2. Now number 24 to number 91. Back to number 24 to number 15. Fires a 3. No good. That's going to be a foul. Foul called on jersey number 8. Substitution. 3 shots for jersey number 24. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Deadlock at 26. Third shot is good for jersey number 24. Change favor. NCF leads by 1. And number 8 with the ball. Pass number 2 to number 11, pump fakes. Pass number 12, stolen. Regained by number 9, mid-range jumper, no good. Rebounded by number 91. Now in the hands of jersey number 24. Number 24, pass stolen by number 12. Now number 8, no good. Second chance opportunity, and that's a 2-pointer for Shepherd. Change favor. Number 16, number 5. Now to number 24, layup is good. Change favor again for the Tigers. Lost the ball, stolen by number 5, layup is good. 3-point lead by the Tigers. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds of the second quarter of play. Lost it, and that's going to be a turnover. NCF ball. Substitution.
Captain to shoot. Traveling violation. Captain to shoot. 10. 50 seconds. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Second team foul. To shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Substitution. 2 seconds. Shot block, violation. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot, that's 10 seconds. Foul. Number 91. 13 foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. Resume timeout. 8 seconds. Check po.
And that's the end of the first half with a score of 33-30. Okay, back to the ball game. Again, NBTC Basketball League would like to thank the following sponsors: Chooks-to-Go, Smart Telecommunication, Vivo Smartphones, Darlington, Expert Charcoal Socks, Molten, Gatorade, SBP. Presented to you by SM. We got it all for you. So it's going to be NCF ball to open up this second half of this matchup. Now number 16, pass to number 5, back to number 16. For the big man, number 2 to the outside, fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound, number 2. Back to the point guard. 10 seconds to shoot. 2, floater. No good. But a foul was called in jersey number 35. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for jersey number 2. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 11 for Shepard, holding the ball. Pass to number 5. Lays it up, no good. Was passed by number 10 to number 5. Now lays it up, no good. But a foul was called in jersey number 5 of NCF. Number 5 of NCF, 4th personal foul, warning for exclusion. Stolen by number 10, layup, no good. Now, layup by number 5 is good. 3-point lead by NCF. Number 16 with the ball. Number 24, back to the point guard. 10 seconds to shoot. That's still going to be NCF ball. With 6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 2, floater. No good. Offensive rebound, number 24, floater. Still no good. But a foul was called in jersey number 10. 3rd personal foul, 2nd team foul. Number 34 to number 5, reverse layup. No good. Number 16 with the ball. Back to number 5 to the big man, spins around. Fakes, floater is good. 2-pointer for jersey number 2. Number 5 going all the way. Floater is good for jersey number 5 of the Shepherds. Now number 24 to number 5. Number 2 lost it, stolen by jersey number 5. Strong pass, and that's going to be a turnover. Number 5 with the ball. Almost lost it. Foul called on jersey number 11. First personal foul, second team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5 for the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Beautiful pass by jersey number 5, and that's a 2-pointer for jersey number 10. 39-34, running score. The layup is good for jersey number 5, and an ankle breaker on jersey number 2. Number 5 to number 16. Back to number 5, fires a 3. Revenge 3-pointer is good for jersey number 5. Number 35, revenge 3-pointer is good. 3-pointer for the Shepherds. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 35 seconds in the third quarter. Foul called. Foul called on jersey number 35. Second personal foul, third team foul. 3-pointer by number 5 is good. Back-to-back 3-pointers by jersey number 5 of the NCF Tigers. Now number 34, layup, no good. Number 24 going all the way. Pass number 5, fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound, number 24. Number 16 tries a 3. No good. Follow-up jumper, no good by jersey number 2. Now number 11, pass number 5. The layup is good. Foul, count it. And a chance for a 3-point play. Foul called on jersey number 16. Substitution. One shot for jersey number 5 to complete the 3-point play. Defensive rebound, number 5. Extra pass to the outside man, fires a 3. No good. That's going to be out of bounds. NCF ball. Substitution. Number 16 with the ball for NCF. Number 16, pass to number 5 for 15 to shoot. Number 15, layup is good. Using his body to his advantage for 2 points. Stolen, stripped away by jersey number 16. And that's still going to be NCF ball. Time out, NCF Tigers. to the ball game. Second shot clock for NCF. 16 seconds to make a play. Stolen by number 5. Now on the offensive, Shepard. Number 5 goes all the way. Layup, no good. Now number 10 with the ball for NCF. Pass to number 5. Number 16. Back to number 5. 15 to shoot. Number 10. No good. Now number 16 of Shepard with the ball. Now with the answer number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Pump fakes. Reverse layup. Hits the ring but doesn't get it in. Now number 16 going all the way past to number 9. Rejected by number 13 of the Shepards. That's still going to be NCF ball. Substitution. Number 9 fires a 3. No good. Put it past to number 13. Layup. No good, but a foul was called. Foul called on jersey number 16. Second personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. First shot is good for jersey number 13. Second shot is good. Number 16 with the ball. Passes over his defender. Now in the hands of number 24. Glitter is good. Using the board in that play. Number 13, mid-range jumper. No good. Number 9, pass to number 16. Fake, stolen, stripped away by jersey number 24. Now number 16 on the offensive for Shepard. Stepped out of bounds, and that's going to be turnover for NCF. Number 5 to number 13. Now to number 24, fires along 2-corner. It's good. Number 24 to number 16. Very strong pass, and that's going to be a turnover. Substitution. Number 9 with the ball for Shepard. Guarded by number 9, now number 16 to number 16. Number 24, long 2-corner. No good. Number 9 with the ball, pass to number 24. Number 16, floater. No good. Stolen by number 24. Now to number 16. 2 corners good for jersey number 16. Number 13. Going all the way. Foul. Count it. That's going to be end one for jersey number 13. Foul call on jersey number 22. First personal foul. Penalty. And he completes the 3-point play. Number 24 is receiving that inbound pass. Now pass to number 15. Back to number 16. Number 24. Beautiful pass by jersey number 16. And a 2-pointer by number 24. Stolen. Stripped away. Regained by number 9. Stolen again by number 16. Now running. Pass to number 24. Stolen by number 23. Now number 9. Layup, no good.
Two minutes. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Fifteen to shoot. 10. What? Penalty. Second personal foul, number 22. Time to shoot. 2 points. Time to shoot. Touch. 2 points. 40 seconds. Number 8. Warning for technical for faking a foul. 30 seconds. Foul number 22. Penalty. Substitution. Number 22, third personal foul. Basket. Number 91, pushing foul. Second personal foul, number 91. Substitution. Fifteen seconds. Shot clock is off. Favor. 5 seconds. Basket. Bedlock. 57.
Back to the ball game. This is now the fourth and final quarter between the NCF Tigers and Shepherd King. Deadlock at 57. Who will win in this matchup? We will find out after this 10-minute corner. Number 8, layup is good. Shepherdville now leads by 2 points. Number 24 with the ball. Number 5, 15 to shoot. That's going to be NCF ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Stolen. Now number 13. Going all the way. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound. Stolen by number 5. Now running. Pass to number 15. Spins using his body to his advantage. And that's a 2-pointer for jersey number 15. Deadlock at 59. "15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive rebound, number 8. Layup, no good. That's going to be Shepherd ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to make a play. "10 seconds to shoot. Fires. No good. Number 9 fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound, number 10. Number 5 fires. No good. Substitution. Great with the ball for Shepherd. Tip pass by number 10, but still in the hand of Shepherd. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 34 with the ball. Pass to number 23, reverse layup is good. Shepherd now leads by 2 points. Number 24 going all the way, pass to the outside man, now in the hands of number 5. Number 10, mid-range jumper, in and out, no good. Number 8 fires a 3, no good. Offensive rebound, number 9, layup is good. 4-point lead by Shepherd.
Run. Okay, number 8 of Shepherdville, technical foul for picking a foul.
That's still going to be NCF ball. Number 24 with the ball. Now in the hands of number 5, back to number 24. Fires a 3. No good. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 20 seconds of the 4th and final quarter. Shepherd leads. That's going to be NCF ball. Out of bounds by Shepherd. Number 10 with the ball. Pass to number 9. Fires a three. It's good. 3-pointer by jersey number 9. Deadlock at 63. Number 34. Stolen. Number 5 with the ball. Now down to number 9. Layup is good. Change table. NCF leads by 2. Now number 9 going all the way. Layup is good. Using the board on that sequence for 2 points. Deadlock at 65. Number 9 fires a three. In and out, no good. And a foul is called. Foul called on jersey number 13. Time out, Shepherdfield. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. NCF leads by 1. Now number 13, rejected. And a foul is seen by the referee. Foul called on jersey number 10. Number 10, fourth personal foul, warning for exclusion. First team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, still no good. Number 16 with the ball. Number 24 to number 15, the layup is good. 2-pointer for the big man of NCF. Number 11 to number 9. Extra pass, but it's going to be a turnover. Substitution. Number 24 to number 15, stolen by number 34. Now number 4. Layup, no good. Offensive rebound by number 34, and that's going to be 2-pointer. Number 16 to number 24. Going all the way, stripped. And that's still going to be NCF ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 2 with the ball. Pass to number 24. Very good. Offensive rebound, number 15. Layup is good. Using his body to his advantage, jersey number 15, 2-pointer. And that's gonna be NCF ball. Substitution. "14 seconds to shoot. Number 9 to number 24. Fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound by number 2, and that's going to be 2-point for the NCF Tigers. Announcement po, yung mga taong nandyan po sa entrance, kung pwede po magsiupo. Foul call on jersey number 34, third personal foul. Announcement po, yung mga tao pong nandyan sa entrance, kung pwede pong magsiyo po na sa bleachers kasi bawal daw po matakpan ka. Thank you. Number 15, spins, lays it up, no good, but a foul was called on jersey number 24. Third personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 23, mid-range jumper. No good. Number 15, pass to number 9. Steps back, fires a 3, it's good. 3-pointer for jersey number 9. 10-point lead by the Tigers. Number 24, mid-range jumper is good. Back to single-digit lead for the Tigers. Number 2 to number 9, pass to number 16, pass to number 15, layup is good, foul, count it, and 1. And a chance for a 3-point play. Foul call on jersey number 16. Time out. Shepherdville. Back to the ball game. The remaining time, 3 minutes and 44 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. NCF leads by 10. And he completes the 3-point play. 11-point lead by the Tigers. Number 16 to number 23. Stolen, stripped away. Foul called on jersey number 23. Fourth personal foul, warning for exclusion. Fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Number 16, receiving end of that inbound pass. Number 24 to number 16. Back to number 24, passing big man. Intercepted, stolen. Intercepted again by number 16. Crossover defender, number 2 with the ball. Floater. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 9 fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound, number 2. Foul called on jersey number 16. Second personal foul, penalty. Second shot no good, offensive rebound by number 24, and that's an easy two-pointer for the Tigers. 69-82, running score. Tigers lead. Now number 16 going all the way. Back-to-back easy two-pointers for the Tigers. Number 12 with the ball. Layup no good, but a foul was called. Foul call on jersey number 2. First shot, no good. Number 2, second personal foul. Second shot is good. Number 9, pass to number 24. To the big man, number 15. And a foul is called. Foul called on jersey number 35. Third personal foul, penalty. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound, number 24, pass number 16. Number 15 with the ball. And foul called. Foul called in jersey number 12. Announcement ball. The winner of this game will head straight to the finals that will be held at the UNC Sports Palace tomorrow at 2 p.m. Again, the winner of this game will proceed to the finals and will be held at the UNC Sports Palace tomorrow at 2 p.m. See you there. "14-point lead by the NCF Tigers. In and out. Second shot, no good. Number 11 with the ball. Number 35 fires a 3, no good. Last 2 minutes.
to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. Foul. Number 16. Timeout. NCF. Back to the ball game.
Next game. After this game will be a matchup between the Naga Classic, UNC Greyhounds versus the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Semifinals match in this year's NBTC Basketball League. Again, the winner of this matchup will proceed to the finals. That will be held at the UNC Sports Palace tomorrow at 2 p.m. Three-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 2. And that's going to be 14 seconds to shoot. Three-pointer again. It's good. Three-pointer by jersey number 35. Number 24 with the ball. Pass to number 2. Fakes. Layup. No good. Now number 13 with the ball. Going all the way. Layup. Still no good. Stolen by number 11. Layup is good. Back-to-back points by the Shepherds. Number 24. 1 minute remaining time in the quarter. And a foul is called on jersey number 12. Third personal foul. Penalty. 56 seconds remaining time. First shot no good. Second shot is good. Number 35 fires a 3. It's good. And a foul is ball. Chance for a 4-point play. Foul ball on jersey number 19. Four-point opportunity, no good. Offensive rebound. Mid-range jumper is good. Back to the ball game. 41 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. NCF leads by 8.
Just